Hello, I want to explain what is the local tax called plusvalia. This is a tax that is on the increase of the value of the land whenever a property is transferred. And it has to be paid in principle by the seller, by whoever is transferring the property to somebody else. I want to stress in a few notes of this tax. One is, what is a urban land property? The easiest thing is to check with the town hall. The land is either urban or farming or any other thing when the law says so. So the easiest thing, the most safest thing is check at the town hall what kind of land you are interested in. Second, when this tax appears, when the property is transferred. When the property is transferred from one person to another. This could be a sale and purchase. This could be because you inherit a property. This could be because you are a beneficiary of a donation. There is a transfer of the property. And this tax then appears and has to be paid. The tax appears at the moment when the transfer is made. This is if you had a property that a few years ago were farming land and now is urban land, and then the tax will appear anyway. When the transfer is made, we have to look at if that property is urban or not at that moment. In the council tax receipt, you will always see that there is a difference between the land value and the construction value. So we have to look only for these tax purposes to the land value. In the council tax receipt appears this information. Who has to pay this tax? This tax has to be paid by the seller, in principle, by whoever is transferring the property away, except when you are a beneficiary of an inheritance or of a donation. In the case of the inheritance, obviously, because whoever is transferring the property has passed away. And secondly, in the case of a donation, because there is no price, so obviously whoever is accepting the donation, it is understood that has the economic capacity to pay the tax. Take into account one thing. When whoever is selling a property is a non-tax resident in Spain, and then the purchaser will be liable for this tax. And that's the reason why there is a usual practice that the purchaser of the property will retain the money of the tax bill to pay it on behalf of the seller in order to guarantee that this tax will be paid. Otherwise, they could be liable for it. I hope these few notes of the plusvalia tax are helpful, and thanks for watching. Bye.